Hello students, myself Sarabjit Kaur and I'll teach English 1 in your class, as you all know. And we have started a topic, chapter 4, affirmative and negative sentences of English 1. So in the previous video I discussed with you of the present tense. Today we will start a past tense. Firstly, in the past tense, in the affirmative, how to change affirmative sentences into negative. There will be a subject, second form of verb and object. For example, he brought. Whenever we will change it, if there will be a second form of verb, then we will change it into the by adding did or not over there. He did not, and the second form will convert into the first form. He did not write. Next one is continuous, past continuous. In these sentences there will be was, were or V1 with the ing. She was writing. We will only add not word over here. She was not writing. Third one is past perfect. There will be a subject had or third form of the verb. Object will be there. She had written, third form, and we will add only had not over here also. She had not written. This is all about the past tense. Now we will discuss about the future one. Future tense, firstly affirmative, how to change affirmative sentences into negative, simple one. Subject and shall will be there, first form of verb and object. We will simply add not word over there. I shall write, we will change it into I shall not write. Continuous, there will be a shall will, along with it there will be word and first form of verb and ing. Here we will add not after the shall. Here I shall not, afterwards we will use word be. I shall not be writing, it will be converted into I shall be writing, I shall not be writing. Third one is perfect. Subject shall, will plus have plus third form of verb will be there. You have to change it into the negative. I shall not have, we will add not word after the shall. I shall not have written. This is all about the affirmative and negative sentences according to tenses. If there will be negative sentences, you have to change it into the affirmative. That is also very simple, that his son is not a doctor. You have to diminish this one. His son is a doctor only. It will not be included over there. You were not hungry, you were hungry. In this way you will change negative into the affirmatives. So contracted forms should be there. Doesn't, don't, didn't, like a does not, that will be written as doesn't, don't, do not, don't, did not, didn't, have not, haven't, would not, want, etc. are mainly used in it. These things only used in the conversations. Afterwards, study the following negative sentences and observe how these are written in two ways. The negative sentences are written in two ways. Firstly, I do not know either Hari or Shyam. This is a negative sentence, and we can write it into the one more form, like I know neither Hari nor Shyam. Both are the correct ones. Second one is we did not meet anybody there. We met nobody there. Both are negative. Third one is I cannot bear this pain any longer. I can bear this pain no longer. In this way we can write the negative sentences. Always remember, in a negative sentences only one negative is used. One negative should be there. If there will be two negative words, then it will become a affirmative. For example, Rahul is unable to do his work, to do this work. There is a negative sentence. It is a negative sentence that because unable word is there, he is unable to do this work. But if we use not, if we will, Rahul is not able to do this work, that will be a negative. Rahul is not unable to do this work, that is Rahul is able to do this work. Rahul is not unable to do this work, that means He is able. That means it is a affirmative. Keep in mind, keep these things in your mind. These are the exercises you have to solve. I'll send it as a homework. If there will be any doubt, you can discuss in the comment section box. Thanks. You have a nice day.